Hi, folks. My name is Eliana. I'm a CTE recruitment specialist in the admissions office. And we're going to talk a little bit about applying and all things that encompass that. Moving forward, let's talk about the application itself. The big concept here is that it's very easy, very simple, and can be completed in 3 steps. One thing to have on hand or in mind before filling out an application would be your social security number. As listed here, you can create your account. And doing this, make sure that you're using your active personal email instead of a school or work affiliated email. And once you have completed that step and are within the application, ensure that you're filling out all the required fields. And lastly, submit your application. A few pointers stated at the bottom of the page I just want to talk a little bit about are: one, there's no fee for the application, which is awesome. We love free resources. Two, admissions reviews on a rolling basis. This simply means that we review applications in the order that they are received. We most typically get out responses to our students within 1 to 2 weeks. And three, we're an open admissions college. We only require a high school transcript validating graduation and a diploma. There are, however, some selective and prerequisite programs. I just want to mention those real quick, such as nursing, international, EMT, and paralegal applicants, most of which are outlined on our apply page. Which to find, you may navigate to flcc.edu/apply. Now, what we're going to do here is navigate whether we're a first-time student or a returning applicant. When you're on that main page, you're looking at these things and you're going to see the opportunity to select either a new full application, which is often referred to when we're talking to first-time applicants. This would be for students mainly applying for their first time to college. Now, on the other hand, if you're a student who has applied but want to apply for a new start term or to finish and submit an in-progress application, you can navigate to the returning applicant portal. The portals themselves can be revisited at any time to check the status of your application and notify you of any additional materials needed to be submitted. With all things being said, some things I do also want to mention are also ensuring that everything is spelled correctly, including emails, responses on the application, etc. Not only is this helpful for you as the student, but also for us admissions folks. And some other things that would be helpful are keeping an eye on those deadlines. You can apply and register for classes at any time until the deadlines, which are always listed on that apply page. And when an application is available or registration opens, students are also notified of these things, typically via email. And of course, if at any time you do have questions about this information or need assistance, you are more than welcome to reach out. We are always happy to help. I just want to say thanks again for watching, and I hope you all have a great day.